I use Albi all day, every day. 2 clicks of a button and I can have the data of the overall health of the business.
So having somebody that's on the cutting edge of technology and cutting edge of really developing, we didn't find that anywhere else.
It impacts the business exponentially to know what we're currently doing and how we can do better.
Yeah, we're able to extract the information that we need to know exactly where we are at any time, because I want to be able to make a move when I need to make a move. Albi is the most intuitive, efficient, and simple platform that we've ever used in this industry. I really don't see a limit on how you could scale and grow with Albi.
Albi is definitely more user-friendly and it's easier to use in the field. Gives the techs the ability to be on the go.
Yeah, we got dispatched to Lubbock for a large loss, and we had only one project manager up there, and he managed the whole entire large loss in 50 units alone. He was the only person documenting, he was the only person taking moisture readings, and he was able to manage the whole entire project just by himself. Nobody else was up there. Just from a dollar's point of view, saving a whole person, he was up there for 5 weeks. So the amount of labor and documenting that we saved is just incredible. Camera features, the dry book feature, we use everything.
Albi has helped Crown Restoration grow in ways that other softwares haven't been able to do. Instead of having to do verbal communication or emails or different softwares that would spend a lot of time, and you can lose data very easily doing that. So Albi has helped the overall growth of the business by being accessible to everyone that's a part of the team.
Yes, I would recommend Albi because of how simple it is and how easy it is to implement. Usually there's a lot of headaches with implementing new things, and Albi has taken away a lot of those complications.